Rationalize the denominator. 1 by 2 plus root 3. Answer 1 by 2 plus root 3 into, in numerator 2 plus root 3 is there, therefore 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. With sign, opposite sign, write numerator and denominator, multiply this. 1 into this is 2 minus root 3 into 1 is 1. Therefore here a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is the formula. Therefore here 2 square minus root 3 square, this equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus square root cancel here 3, this equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1 is answer. 2 minus root 3 is the answer.